I had it all. I had my beautiful husband, my wonderful 18-month-old, and a blossoming photographic career. I came home and my husband couldn't even tell me. He had to place my hand over the lump, and my heart sank. And I reached for the most positive perspective. Maybe this is nothing. And if it is something, we're going to be the healing story. A week later, we get the devastating news of stage 4 melanoma. And 4 months later, I find myself kissing my sweet husband for the last time and him exhaling his last breath. A widowed mom with my beautiful picturesque life shattered upon the floor. How am I going to put my life back together? Pick up these pieces and put them together in a way that is still beautiful, makes sense, and has joy. And I decide to let nothing steal my joy. And through that journey over the last 11 years, I have found inspiration, healing tools, and survival skills that have sprang me forward into the life I live today, where I'm happily married for the last 9 years, homeschooling my 3 beautiful children over the last 8 years, and started up 2 new businesses, and I assist my husband in his 2 businesses. I invite you to join me on my Light Sprinkles YouTube channel and soon to be podcast, because for me, it was the loss of my late husband. And for you, it might be a divorce, a health setback, internal conflict, or a loss of a dream. Whatever it is, we all face challenges. And I believe that in each challenge, there's an opportunity or a gift if we're willing to look for them. And the key is in our willingness to do that. So join me on Light Sprinkles, LIGHTSPRINGKLES, on YouTube and soon to be podcast. Thanks for listening. I look forward to seeing you there. Much love and light. Bye for now.